Hello, this is Shalina from MarineMax Lake Wylie, and today I just want to show you a quick little walkthrough on this beautiful 2022 Harris Solstice 250 pontoon. And it's got the chestnut interior and woven teak flooring, black sapphire exterior, and we can go ahead and hop aboard. We've got the swim platform right here on the end, and it's powered by a 8-cylinder Mercury 250 motor. We've got the rail package here, the ski tow bar, so you can sit facing rear when the chain is up. A beautiful sun lounger, stainless steel cup holders all throughout. Diamond level JL audio system. Love this ultra tower with the integrated bimini, gorgeous. And back here we also have the ottoman with the integrated cooler. So this all comes with the boat. And then we do have the double batteries in here with the battery switch. Tremendous amount of storage. You've got the beautiful woven teak in here as well. You've got the raised helm, the really luxe high back captain's chairs, wireless charger over here, digital throttle, and the Solstice has the CZONE as well for all of your lighting. Got the Simrad screen for chart plotting, navigation, fish finder, the upgraded JL audio, speakers all throughout, and we've got this spacious ski locker here as well. And portable cup holders, and plenty of cup holders in here as well. Beautiful, beautiful boat. If you guys have any questions about this boat or are interested, please give us a shout. This is Shalina at MarineMax Lake Wylie, and our phone number is 803-831-2101. Thank you.